Hey, what's up? This is Joel back in the studio to tell you about a really handy product today. I've been seeing these little air dusters everywhere, and when I saw this one from WolfBox, a company that I've worked with before, that I've owned products from before, I've got their jump starters, their tire inflators, things like that, I said, hey, can you guys send me one of these so we can review this? And they were happy to send this over. So thanks to WolfBox for providing this product for an honest review. This is the MF100 electric blower or electric duster. I'm really impressed with the build quality and capability on this product, and let's quickly talk about what it is, what it does, and what it would be useful for. It's got 3 different modes. I think it's 40,000, 80,000, and 150,000 RPMs. It's got a USB-C port on it, so it's super easy to charge. Fast charging. This recharges from 0 all the way to full in about 2.5 hours, and it'll run for 100 minutes, I believe. It's the MF100, so that makes sense. 100 minutes of runtime. And I've been really impressed with just how powerful and intuitive this is, not to mention the design. Just kind of looking at this, I've seen others, they look real blocky and weird. This looks ergonomic. It's really nice and curved, easy to fit on your hand. It's got a little hook here on the bottom, and I believe we have one of these wrist straps that comes with it. I don't have it in the bag right now, but I don't tend to put those things on, these wrist straps, if you're worried about dropping it or anything like that. But it's really very simple. All you do is on the back, you hold this power button and it turns it on. These 3 LED lights, little blue LEDs, will tell you what mode you're in. So obviously you see all 3 lights, you're in high, click it again, you're down to medium, and then click it again, 1 light, you're on low, and that is your selector for your modes. Then the front, this is more like a trigger than a button. It actuates the little air pump, which you can see through this hole in the back when you start it, and it's kind of loud, so I'm gonna go ahead and hold it here on high so you can hear just how loud and powerful this is. 150,000 RPMs of air are about to flow through this nozzle. Are you ready? Holding down the trigger now. I mean, that's crazy, isn't it? Watch how it throws this bag. This has got the nozzles in it. Watch how it throws this bag around. I mean, that's crazy. And this nozzle here is changeable. You've got all sorts of different kinds here. Let's count them. We've got 4 extras and 1 that's on it. So we've got 5 in total. And you can see I kind of had the broad, wide one on there. This one here, this makes it an inflator for like an inflatable mattress. It's got like a tiny nozzle. You could stick this in a camping mattress and blow it up. Just hold the trigger and it goes. I had it on low. Hold the trigger. There it goes. This kind of wide one here, this is great for the car or a keyboard. I've used this in the car quite a lot. You just kind of stick them in and quarter turn, they snap. You hear it? Quarter turn, they snap in, and this is kind of concentrating it, giving you more like a blade of air. You can run this across your keyboard to get the dust out from under in between the keys. Run this on your cup holders and things in your car, the vent, the dash, blow it all out, then vacuum it up with your vacuum there on the floor. Then you've got a longer nozzle just in case you need some kind of extension here. And then you've got one that's right in the middle, just kind of all purpose. You know, I've used this on occasion to blow out my shop. Like, I don't have a leaf blower here. I can take this all-purpose one or even the wide one here, throw it on. I can get just debris off the shop floor, throw it out the big door. You know, I've got something in the car that's just, you know, a little dirty. I'm just gonna hit it with this thing, throw it out. It is amazing what you can do with one of these little air dust throwers. I don't even know what to call them. They're blowers, but they're not like a leaf blower. They're just a multi-purpose air blower. And I've really been fascinated with all the different uses for it and the exchangeable heads and different power modes. It's got this grip on the side here, this just kind of like tacky grip so that you don't drop it. That's really nice. You've got your battery indicator right here on the bottom, 4 LEDs. Then of course on the back you have your USB-C port. The only thing I'd like to have seen seen is a cover for the USB-C port. Again, I don't really have trouble getting my USB-C ports gunked up, but I like to see little silicone covers for those so that you don't have any problems going forward. You don't get any dust in them, you don't get any air in them. So that's one thing I'd like to see changed, but I really like how cool it is that you can see the little fan in the back. You gotta be careful, nothing going through here. And then they give you this stylish little microfiber bag to put everything in. I was worried about that when I got this. I thought, I'm gonna lose all these stupid little bits and nozzles because I don't have a place to put them. I'll have to get a Ziploc bag. Nope. They've got a drawstring bag, says WolfBox on the front. Really nice. The only thing I would like to see in this bag is some sort of clip or drawstring that holds it closed. Probably not a huge deal, but throwing this down, you know, this could come open over time in a bag or something like that. So something to cinch it and hold it would be a little bit better, but I just could not be more impressed with the MF100. It's powerful, it's lightweight, it looks amazing. This is one thing I love about WolfBox products over other products in the same category, is not only do they reliably function and do a great job, but they look better than everybody else's product. It's aesthetically pleasing, the design is good. It's nice to see things that people take their time to design. This is beautiful industrial design here, and I think you're really gonna like it. Again, it's the MF100 Air Duster from WolfBox. Check it out for yourself. I really think you're gonna like it.